Welcome. In this video, we'll be factoring by using the diamond method part 3. Let's take a look at our first example. Factor the expression x squared plus 10x plus 25 completely. Notice that this expression is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, by matching or identifying the values for the coefficients and the constant term, we get the following values. A is equal to 1 because there's an implicit 1 here as the coefficient for your quadratic term. B is equal to 10 because there's a coefficient of 10 for your linear term. And C is your constant term, which in this case happens to be 25. Now, using the diamond method means that we're looking for A times C and for B here. A times C is 1 times 25, which is 25, and your B is 10. Now, once we have established those two numbers, what we say is the following. We're looking for factors of 25 that add up to 10, or whose sum is equal to 10. What are those factors? And yes, you're absolutely right. Those factors happen to be 5 and 5, because 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 plus 5 gives you 10. So we can conclude the following. X squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to x plus 5 times x plus 5. But using the properties of exponents, this can be rewritten as x plus 5 quantity squared. And since this first expression is equal to the middle expression and the middle expression is equal to the third expression, by the transitive property of equality, we can conclude that x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to x plus 5 quantity squared, which happens to be what we denominate a perfect square. Let's see one more example here. Example 2. Factor the expression x squared minus 8x plus 16 completely. Once again, we notice that this expression is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. By matching or identifying the coefficients and the constant term, we get that a is equal to 1 because there's an implicit 1 here as the coefficient of your quadratic term. B is equal to negative 8 because that's the coefficient of your linear term. And C is equal to positive 16 because that's your constant term. Now, in order for us to use the diamond method, we multiply A times C and we obtain B over here. Now, notice that A times C is 1 times 16, which is 16, and B is equal to negative 8. So what we're looking for is, or are, factors of 16 that add up to negative 8. So what are those two numbers that when you multiply will give you 16 and when you add them will give you negative 8? And yes, you're absolutely right. Those numbers happen to be negative 4 and negative 4. Because negative 4 times negative 4 will give you positive 16 and negative 4 plus negative 4 will give you negative 8. So we can say the following. Therefore, x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to x minus 4 times x minus 4. And by using the properties of exponents, this now becomes x minus 4 quantity squared. So, since this first expression is equal to the middle expression and the middle expression is equal to the third expression, by the transitive property of equality, we can conclude that x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to x minus 4 quantity square. And once again, we determined that this is a perfect square. So that concludes this particular video on factoring with the diamond method part 3. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.